Hello, Bougainvillea lovers! It's me again, Melanie. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, nakikita niyo po, hindi lamang po dahon ang kinukuha ko sa aking mga bougainvilleas. Kinukuha ko rin yung mga ferns and mga stems na may bulaklak noon na nalalagas na. Don't worry po, it's totally healthy and it's helpful and beneficial for your bougainvilleas. Kasi the more we clean up and the more we get rid of leaves and old stems, makakadagdag po ito, and when your bougainvilleas flower again, they will bloom more and more. At saka malinis po tignan. We are giving bougainvilleas more chance to grow more. At saka, yun po yung ginagawa ko. It's been tested and proven method. So, try nyo rin po sa inyong mga bougainvilleas. Don't worry po, kalbo naman po siya, pero hindi po siya mamamatay. Don't worry. At hindi lang po yan. Presenting my other varieties of bougainvilleas. Tawag po dito sa layman's term is double, pero ang term po riyan ay 36 petals. Yung pangalan po ng variety. So, hindi lang po stems and leaves ang kinukuha. Dapat kunin din ang mga old flowers. Kasi old naman yan eh. So, we're giving bougainvilleas or more blooms a chance, yung mga new na flowers. Maganda po yan sa bougainvilleas kasi kung may natitira pa na mga old na matagal na or mamamatay na mga petals, hindi na maganda tingnan, and then makakakuha pa ng mga vitamins and minerals na dapat sana mapupunta sa new ones. And if we cut it, ilalagay po natin inside the pots, sa loob din ng paso, para magiging fertilizer. So it's a really win-win situation. So don't worry, try nyo lang po, kasi hindi naman po siya kawalan. You're just giving your bougainvilleas a chance to grow new flowers. I really love this area of our bougainvillea garden kasi pinagsama ko yung same varieties pero different colors. Ang ganda tingnan. And ito po yung aking chitra ba tawag to? Dito. Ayan, kinukuha ko rin. It's very calming, like a meditative method or activity. And you're looking forward to seeing baby blooms na naman next time. So there, I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. And if you're a fellow Bougainvillea lover, maybe we can exchange ideas. Thank you for watching. God bless po.